Welcome to SM Investor. Be smart in life.
Welcome back to SM Investor, your weekly dose of simple finance terms. And today we are breaking down 3 new finance buzzwords in plain language. Word of the day number 1, Total Returns Index, TRI. You might know Nifty 50, but have you heard of Nifty 50 TRI? TRI stands for Total Returns Index. It doesn't just track the rise in stock prices, it also includes dividends paid by the companies. So while Nifty 50 may show a level like 25,000, the TRI could show 37,000 because it's giving you the full picture of returns. In short, TRI is equal to stock price gain plus dividends is equal to more accurate performance. Word of the day number 2, Working Capital. Working capital, the fuel that keeps a business running daily. It's the difference between what a company owns short-term, like cash and inventory, and what it owes short-term, like salaries and bills. Working capital is equal to current assets, current liabilities. Positive working capital is equal to company can pay its bills easily. Negative is equal to company might struggle to pay and may need help. Think of it as a quick check of a company's financial health. Word of the day number 3, Beta. Beta, the measure of volatility. Beta shows how much a stock or mutual fund moves in comparison to the market. Beta less than 1, less risky than the market. Beta is equal to 1, same as the market. Beta greater than 1, more risky, but can give higher returns. A fund with beta 1.5 will move 1.5x more than the market, up or down. Use beta to know your risk before you invest. Thank you. Hit like if you learned something new, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more finance terms made easy every week. See you in the next video.